Hi, Ankita.
Hi.
Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
How are you?
All good. You tell me, how are you?
I'm great. You will make us more great, I guess, telling us about mental health today.
I will. I'm sure. I'm sure.
Right. So, how was the lockdown?
It's going fine. I mean, with so many things on hands, I think it's going fine with me.
Right. Are you in clinic right now?
Yeah, I am in clinic.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, Sonali.
So, shall we start?
Sure, sure.
Sure. So, hey guys, this is Sonali Satpathy from Scope Widespread Private Limited, and I have with me Dr. Ankita Marjadi. She is a doctor, and to brief us more about herself, she'll tell it herself. She'll give us her introduction herself. So, Ankita, I take it on to you.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ankita Marjadi and I'm a homeopathic physician. I'm also a psychotherapist, a certified child health practitioner, an author, a blogger, and I'm a social activist and I'm into too many things. And I'm proud mother of two beautiful angels.
Great. So, tell us, Ankita, how we'll start about the topic that is mental health.
Hmm.
So, beginning with description, first we'd like to know what exactly is mental health.
All right. See, regarding mental health, सबको एक myth रहता है कि what is mental health? It means absence of any mental disease. But no, that is just a misconception which is there in our society कि सबको लगता है कि अगर कोई mental disease है, then only आपका mental health खराब है. But mental health has a deeper meaning. Mental health is more about your cognitive thinking, your behavioral thinking, and your emotional well-being. Cognitive sounds like a big word. I'll just break it
Right.
down for you. Cognitive means something which is related to your reasoning, your logic, and the way you think. आपका brain कुछ चीजों को कैसे समझता है and कैसे react करता है. That is what is cognition all about. तो अगर उस well-being में कुछ alteration हुआ, that means your mental health is affected. Next is your behavior. If your behavior is changed, या affect हुआ, that means your mental health is affected. थर्ड इज योर इमोशनल वेलबींग विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड जिसको हम बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. ठीक है, पार्ट
Right.
एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ है टू हैव दिस एंगर आउटबर्स्ट और बी सैड एंड पैनिक होना. हम हमारे रूटीन में उसको ढाल चुके हैं. इट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ. सुख दुख तो
Right.
हमारे जीवन का पार्ट एंड पार्सल है करके हम उस पर बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देते. But emotional
बिल्कुल.
well-being is very, very essential and the most ignored topic in our society.
Right. So, how does mental health affect your daily lifestyle? Like, I have seen
सबसे
many
पहले
people
तो
are not even aware of it.
अरे बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. फर्स्ट इट अफेक्ट्स योर बिहेवियर. इफ यू नॉट मेंटली हेल्दी ऑब्वियसली वो आपके बिहेवियर में दिखेगा. इमेजिन आपका डे स्टार्ट हुआ एंड यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड एंड ऑब्वियसली आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी अफेक्ट होगी. जो आपका दिन का डेली कोर्स है दैट विल बी अफेक्टेड. द वे यू इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल विल बी अफेक्टेड. इफ यू नॉट mentally healthy you don't feel like interacting with people. You are not yourself when you're talking to them. And even when you're working, your mind is somewhere else. You're engrossed in your own thoughts, and the productivity is affected in that ways as well. Socially, you become distant with people around you. Socially, you become distant with the things that you really love to do. You find no interest in the things that you used to love. So it has many 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 aspects to how does it affect yourself. It affects in your social well-being as well, and at the same time internally आपके नजर में आपका जो एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है वो कम हो जाता है. And there are so many aspects to it.
ओके. सो ये तो आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पर्सन हर दूसरे दिन डील करता ही है इन सब चीजों से. किसी दिन
I know.
we have a common quote ki some day is not a day of the week.
Yeah,
So
that
I think
happens.
every once in a week every person faces it. So
Yeah.
once you are judged कि you are not mentally well या you don't feel well, तो उस केस में क्या करना चाहिए हमें? What
See,
do
there
you
are
suggest?
few mantras जो अगर आप अपने लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर ले, you'll be all good to go. ऐसा नहीं है कि there won't be situations which put you down. But if you learn the
right,
coping mechanisms, if you learn के you know in situations में भी हम हमारा mental health कैसे balance रख सकते हैं and what best can be done to make it better, then you're good to
right,
go. There are a few things which you know you should follow it as a rule of thumb. First and foremost thing is that acknowledge your feelings. Many a times it happens that we are not feeling good, still we try to put our best selves in front of everybody. You know, हमारे सर पे एक बोझ रहता है that you have to be a perfect woman, especially if you're a
right,
woman. You know that in
right,
spite of, you know, you're not feeling good, but still you'll be a very loving mother, you'll be a very, you know, loving daughter, you'll be a very caring sister. But what about you? What about your feelings? उस पे कौन ध्यान देगा and उस पे कौन वर्कआउट करेगा? So first and foremost thing is acknowledge how you feel. I always recommend people to make a diary or a you know a book जिसमें आप रोज अपनी feelings लिख रहे हैं. You just went out what you're feeling, the good things as well as not so good things. आज आपको किसी ने hurt किया, आज आपको अगर किसी बात पे गुस्सा आया, आज आपको अगर कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, make sure that you're penning it down. That helps you clear your head and that helps you acknowledge what you are feeling. यूजुअली जब हम हमारा ब्रेव सेल्फ सामने रखते हैं ना वी लिटरली आर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम आवर ट्रू फीलिंग्स. फिर वो सडनली एक दिन ब्रेक डाउन होता है, फिर हम उसको पीएमएस का नाम दे देते हैं.
हाँ
ये
बिल्कुल.
that is a fact, that is a fact that you've been slogging the entire time. फिर एक दिन तो आपका बॉडी भी you know बोलेगा कि बस बहुत हो गया, and then you'll have your anger outburst, then you'll have your irritation, and then you'll term it PMS.
Right.
So, but if you acknowledge it, rose ka rose, it really helps. The first thing is acknowledging your feelings. The second thing which I ask everybody to prioritize is nutrition. If you're eating healthy, definitely your mind works better. There are many things, you know, जिसकी deficiency से हमको irritability and anger होता है. Vitamin D is one thing जो आजकल बहुत सारे जनों को studies say that the lack of vitamin D, deficiency of vitamin D causes depression. So it's such a small thing. हमको realize ही नहीं होता है what is making us gloomy. But this is a simple deficiency. If you're taking care of your nutrition, if you're taking care of your food, definitely it affects your overall health and mental well-being. हमको recommend किया जाता है that vitamin C हमारे food stuffs में हमको लेना चाहिए, या we should you know have daily dose of our vitamin C. हम कितना follow करते हैं? We know so many things, but are we actually following it? I think that is one thing which we don't. I mean, we know that lemon is the richest source of vitamin C, but हम कितना नींबू पानी पीते हैं once in a while. But when we know, when we have these things right at our home and right in front of us, we actually don't acknowledge. And at the same time, when we you know take care of our children, we take care of the people around us, we forget to take care of ourselves, which is very important. I always stress upon this, that when you are taking care of people around you, when you're making sure that everybody eats right and is, you know, healthy, why don't you take care of your own self? हम वहाँ पे क्यों आलस करते हैं? Why do we become lazy about it? So first was acknowledging your feelings. Second is nutrition. The third most important thing for me is exercise. And I don't count the exercise जो household work में होता है. No, that will not serve you. Most of the women have this thing that you know हम घर का काम करते हैं तो हमारी बहुत exercise हो जाती है. No, exercise is something that has to be done besides your routine course, and that will be your me time when you're just you know being with yourself, working out for your own body. And exercise is known to secrete hormones which actually help as stress busters. अब 45 minutes exercise कीजिए तो ऐसे hormones हमारे body में secrete होते हैं which make you more active, which help you you know dilute the stress that you're feeling and which will make you feel happy. I think जितने लोग regularly exercise करते हैं मेरे इस fact से agree करते होंगे that exercise actually makes you more fresh. Instead of you know people have this misconception कि दिन भर काम करने के बाद exercise के लिए time निकालूंगी तो I'll get tired all the more, which is not so. It's not that you'll get tired, you'll be energized. You'll be energized for the day which is you know coming up. आगे का दिन आपका और अच्छा जाएगा if you take out some time for yourself. And it gives you a satisfaction that this was my me time. This was something that I did for me and I did for my body. So
Right.
these three things. Fourth is you should have somebody जिसको आप अपने मन की बात कर सके. Most of the times mental health is like, it stigma. अगर मैं इसको ये बताऊंगा तो वो मुझे जज करेंगे. What will they think about me? So the fear of judgments helps in मतलब अवॉइड करता है कि आप अपना जो मन में फील कर रहे हैं वो आप किसी को वेंट नहीं कर सकते या किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज यू हैव दिस थिंग व्हाट विल पीपल थिंक. बट यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव वन पर्सन wherein you can just say what you're feeling and take help, seek help. I always say that बात करने से ही बात बनती है. This is an axiom which I tell to all my patients as well as those who get in touch with me. We've started an initiative which is called as Need to Talk, because we feel that बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that you want to talk but you don't have somebody to talk. So Need to Talk is a forum wherein you can just vent what you're feeling. We won't judge you and we won't even ask you what is happening, why it is happening. You can just vent your emotions over there.
Right.
That's it.
So
Many a
that is
times you
open
just,
for anyone?
yeah, that is open for anyone, but they should be, I mean, we do a background check on the genuine things, because
Right. Yeah.
obviously, yeah, that needs to be done.
Right.
Yeah, so that is one more thing. And take out your me time. Take time to relax. Take up a hobby which you really love and make sure that you're giving time to that thing. So these are some things which I stress upon, that acknowledging how you're feeling, nutrition,
Right.
then exercise regime, having someone that would be your cope up mechanism, a vent जिसको आप अपना सब कह सके, and time to relax and me time.
Okay. So Ankita, can you tell us more about this Need to Talk initiative of yours?
Need to Talk is an initiative which is a part of Arogyada Clinic. We run an online homeopathic clinic wherein we cater patients pan-India. Need to Talk is a part of this initiative wherein you can drop us a message about what you're feeling, and the feelings especially which you cannot say to anybody. We get usually feelings from housewives who cannot vent it in front of their parents, thinking that my parents will worry about me, and they just come to us, they just went out, they ask for opinions, they ask for solutions, and we do our bit, to help them balance their emotions.
Okay, so yeah, that needs to be contacted online, right?
Yeah, that has to be contacted online. And mostly it's like, because of the background check and past experiences, it's mostly open for women who need us. Yeah.
Right. So we have faced that many times.
Yeah.
So Ankita, now considering the situation of COVID, there are many situations where maybe people are losing jobs or they're not getting the salaries in time. So we have seen people going into depression. Like अब क्या होगा, आगे क्या करेंगे, घर कैसे चलेगा, फैमिली के साथ मतलब फैमिली को कैसे सपोर्ट करेंगे. So वो situation, that is I think a short term depression, right?
Yeah, that is a short-term thing, and it is more situational. I mean, it is as per the situation. Once you work out around the coping mechanisms, I think even this phase will pass.
So इस situation में basically what the person needs to focus on, importantly.
Yeah, I'll just say a few points on this, because one thing is there that you're not the only one who is suffering. Though it does not give any sympathy to your heart, saying that I am so suffering only. But yes, you're not the only one who is suffering. Secondly, looking for skills which can be developed sitting at home, so that once things are back on routine, these skills will, improve your value. These things will improve your core values, and you can come back in the market with a more bang, like okay, I have mastered these skills. Yeah, and there are so many things available online. Trust me, internet has been a blessing in these times. Irrespective of many things around it, internet has actually been a blessing for professionals. Harvard University and many such universities are offering free courses, so you can take up those courses, brush your skills, take up a hobby. This is the time where you can sit back and introspect that what you have done and what you can do better. There have been
Right.
times where you're already doing, जब आप 9 to 5 की job में कुछ कर रहे हो, and it becomes very monotonous. So this is the time when you can have this out of the box thinking and come out of your 9 to 5 routine and think about something which actually catches your attention, which brings a zing to your life, and जिसके लिए आप passion से काम करोगे. I can completely understand the financial constraints, because yes, it is, finances are difficult, but I think saving is one thing, and cutting on to the expenses is one more thing which we all are following. That if we
Right.
cut down to our expenses, it gets easier, and scheduling our expenses. That हमको पता है that these are the things that mandatory and luxury. You have to differentiate between these two things, because we don't know that how long these times will last. It's in spite of all the positivity, there are times when we might actually find it gloomy, and it is difficult to accept the new you pattern, the new
Right.
नया schedule क्या होगा, नया office hours क्या होगा, नया mechanism क्या होगा. It's not that easy. But at the same time, when we are ready mentally, that we'll go with the flow and we'll do the best what can be done in that pattern, I think it gets easier. It is something that you have to be very strong mentally. And there's one more thing. I've come across many domestic violence cases in these times, and I had been on a live interview, and I have also come across many depression cases wherein people feel that, what should be done. Trust me, guys, seek help. Seek help is the only thing. Talk to somebody who can actually help you in these times. Talk to somebody who can help you get a direction, because maybe by just talking it out, maybe by just venting it out, you might feel better. That is
Okay.
very, very, very important, because keeping it in your head actually makes you gloomy and it suffocates you. And then there is an anger outburst, and that might lead to, problems in and around your home. Seeking help is the best thing. Yeah.
Speaking of mental health, I think there was a case where I met a girl. She was severely into a case of depression. She didn't want to talk to anyone, that kind of stuff. But her parents, including her, she herself, they were not ready to speak to anyone regarding it.
I told you,
Means
because it
like लोग
has
हमें
it,
पागल समझेंगे या लोग क्या बोलेंगे अगर हम
I told
साइकोलॉजिस्ट
you,
के पास जाते हैं.
it's a big stigma. Trust me. Trust me, it's a
Right.
big stigma, and it's not easy for people to accept that what they are feeling. And that is why my first point, कि acknowledge what you're feeling. वो नौबत कब आती है जब आपने इनिशियली खुद को एक्नॉलेज नहीं किया होता है. वो
Right.
हमारे में जो हल्का सा चेंज हम इनिशियली एक्नॉलेज कर ले, then it gets very very smooth, it gets easier. and हमारे कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म्स अगर हम स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दे कि मुझे पता है ये ट्रिगर है और इस ट्रिगर को मुझे कोप करना है, so then it gets easier. I know कि मुझे इस चीज से इरिटेशन होता है. Either I'll stay away from thing or that from that thing, or I'll think that what best can be done to remove my irritation. That happens
Right.
because not all people around you work with your kind of efficiency. That is one
Right.
thing which affects many people. That when I am working so efficiently, my uh, you know people around me are not that efficient. Then it affects you, and then you burst out. So that these are things when you learn and you acknowledge your triggers, and then you learn how to cope up with them and how to settle with them. It no longer affects you. You are in your peaceful zone.
Okay. So Ankita, can you help us with some tips on anger management?
For
How could
anger
you manage
management,
it? Because that is a big case of mental health, I guess.
I know. See, there are few things, and this has always helped me. Whenever
Right.
you feel that, this is absolutely annoying and I'm getting super angry on it, just go and have a glass of cold water. That is one thing which will immediately, within 10 seconds, cool you down. Because I've seen that people who get angry regret very badly later. They feel guilty that
Right.
why did I not control myself in that moment? Because during anger, you end up hurting people around you. So when you're drinking that cold water glass, just tell to yourself that what best can be done to, work out in this situation. What best should I say so that things get better around me? I am sure that there might be triggers around you and you really feel like bursting out. But when you're drinking
Right.
that glass of water, just recite peace. Peace is one word. Water has memory. I don't know whether you're aware of it or not, but water does have memory. Water is one thing that even when you're drinking that glass in your routine day, whatever you say, water has that kind of memory and has that kind of effect on your body. And I'll tell
Okay.
you the importance of water maybe some other time, because it's a huge topic I can talk on.
Right.
But trust me, those who act, have this thing, those who believe in this thing, सिर्फ try करके देखो कि when you're drinking water, just say peace, and you'll feel that you're actually relaxing, you're actually feeling peaceful. Counting 10 is one other thing which I tell. Backward counting: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Even if you're angry, I'll recommend that whatever has hurt you or whatever has triggered you, say it, but in a more polite way. Instead of outbursting, just say it, put it across in a polite way that this is what has happened. I don't appreciate it. I don't like it. I hope you understand that next time this is not repeated.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And
breathing.
practicing meditation, practicing breathing exercises usually have a calming effect on your brain. So next time जब triggers होते हैं, if you've been a regular practicer of all these things, तो आपको वो affect नहीं करता है इतना. Secondly, you should understand one fact of acceptance. मतलब अगर आप acceptance सीख जाओ तो आपको गुस्सा कभी नहीं आएगा. Accept people as they are, with their good and bad qualities. I know it's very difficult in real life, it's difficult to practice, but
Right.
अगर आप समझ लिए तो इससे बढ़िया कुछ भी नहीं है. Acceptance. Always, I always try to think that if somebody has reacted or if somebody has done something, I try to think on their point of view as well. And once you accept, once you start accepting it, it becomes very easy. I also recommend कि अगर आपको burst out ही होना है, you can just write. Writing it off helps you venting. आपके दिमाग में जो भी चक्रव्यूह चल रहा है वो अगर आप लिख दो उस moment पर, तो there are two advantages. One thing, it is out of your head, and secondly, you feel that yes, you've actually vented.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
But
I
make
think
sure
water and filling it down is much easier to
water
follow.
is very easy, and trust me, वो अगर आप करके देखोगे, you'll notice those vibes. One little example I can give you, that you know that our oceans and seas, the tides are affected by the moon, right? Like low tide and high tides. So जब इतना सारा quantity of water moon से affect होता है, moon is a symbol of peace. हमारे body में 70% water है. 70% of our body is water. So if you think of peace and if you think of the moon, it actually gives you a very calming effect. Moon is known to give a calming effect.
Okay.
So,
Right.
so what water has memories. You can, if you've heard Sadhguru talking, so he's given a very nice video on water having memory, and it's a beautiful video. If you want, I'll share it with you. You can post it on your page sometime.
Sure.
It's a very informative video. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ankita, we have another. I think one of our viewers has questioned another. Topic on mental health is lack of focus. हमारा दिमाग बहुत चंचल रहता है कि अभी ये करे 5 मिनट लगता है, नहीं वो भी कर लेना चाहिए, 10 मिनट में कुछ और करने पहुंच जाते हैं. सो वो चीज कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं हम?
See, I always tell that make a vision board. And make sure that you are not, wavering from that vision board. Vision board एक पेपर है जिसके ऊपर आप क्या बनना चाहते हो, या आपके जो गोल्स है, या आपका क्या विजन है for this year or for the coming years, वो लिखा हुआ होता है. And you have to read that vision board daily so that you don't waver off. Okay.
Right.
And secondly, you can try concentration exercises. Concentration meditations होते हैं, वो आप practice कर सकते हैं, जिसके कारण आपका mind focused रहेगा. And always remember the story of Arjun. I recently gave this example to a program. We are creating मतलब हमने unwind करके बच्चों के लिए program किया था. उसमें we had taught them concentration. Wherein it was a story of 5 Pandavas that everybody was complaining to their guru that आप सबसे ज़्यादा अर्जुन को favor करते हैं, and that is why his archery skills are very good. So Guruji made everybody do the archery thing, and he said that when you are actually doing archery, आपको क्या दिखता है? तो one of the Pandavas said that मुझे tree दिखता है, sky दिखता है, and आसपास के leaves दिखते हैं, bird दिखता है. I can see everything very nicely. The next
Right.
Pandav said that मुझे tree का branch दिखता है. अर्जुन said मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखता, मुझे ना sky दिखता है, ना tree दिखता है, ना leaves दिखते हैं, ना branch दिखते हैं, मुझे सिर्फ bird की आंख दिखती है. That's it. So that is the importance of focus, and that is when you are doing something, you have to be focused and remember this story every time. And वो vision board अगर आप रोज देखते हैं ना, तो it really helps you stick to what you have thought. आप additions कर सकते हैं to improve yourself, but it's better that you don't waver off.
Okay. So I think the only part here is motivation, कि आप अपने आप को कैसे constantly motivated रख सकते हो.
Yes, and I always believe that one thing which is, you know, एक problem जो मैंने बहुत सारे जनों में देखी है is the lack of consistency. Consistency एक ऐसा word है जो अगर हमारी लाइफ में नहीं है, जैसे हमको पता है न्यूट्रिशन हमारे लिए अच्छा है, हम consistently अच्छा नहीं खाते हैं. हमको पता है एक्सरसाइज इज गुड फॉर अस, हम कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है एक्सरसाइजिंग में. यू विल डू 1 मंथ जोर शोर से एंड देन यू विल फील अरे वेट लॉस पे कोई फर्क नहीं दिख रहा है, उससे अच्छा तो मैं खा पी के रहूं, एंड देन यू लीव इट. बट यस, कंसिस्टेंटली अगर आप वर्कआउट करते हैं, कंसिस्टेंटली इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग अ गुड न्यूट्रिशन, कंसिस्टेंटली इफ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर गोल, देन आपका फोकस भी ऑल्टर नहीं होगा एंड यू विल अचीव व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव. सो कंसिस्टेंसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
राइट. Another thing is during depression, जब एक person मतलब severe case में होता है depression के, that person is going through treatment, जो उनके medications होते हैं, जो clinically आप लोग approve करते हो, वो चलता रहता है. But during that phase, जब वो person बाहर निकलता है, लोगों से मिलता है या मिलने की कोशिश करता है, उसको लगता है कि मेरे आसपास जो भी है सब मुझे डिप्रेस ही कर रहे हैं, या कोई मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है, कोई मेरी बात को समझ नहीं रहा है, या no one is trying to deal with me. तो वो mindset, वो बहुत बार हम नॉर्मल लोगों का भी होता है. When we are irritated या किसी चीज से अपसेट, लगता है कि किसी को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है, कोई हमारी किसी चीज को अप्रूव नहीं कर रहा, अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहा है, तो वो टाइम पे नॉट बेसिकली वो एंगर भी नहीं होता है, और वो मतलब इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग ऑफ हर्ट. तो वहां पे आप अपने आप को कैसे उस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकाल सकते हो कि फॉर द टाइमिंग आप थोड़ा शांत हो जाओ, या कैसे हम उसको वहां पे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं?
I always recommend, like I told you, writing. Writing is something which really helps you. It helps you analyze. It helps you focus. कि अगर मैंने लिख दिया that these are the things that are bothering me, it will come out of your head. Either talk to somebody who will understand you. I usually say that suppose अगर डिप्रेशन का पेशेंट है, तो काउंसलिंग सिर्फ डिप्रेशन के पेशेंट की नहीं होती, उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स की होती है, बिकॉज देयर बिहेवियर मैटर्स दिस पर्सन्स मेंटल स्टेट एज वेल. So that is something very important. When you know you're not in the depression title and आपके routine life में there are incidences that can
Hi.
in between. So writing is something which really helps you a lot. Writing down and then just venting it out that, you know, this is actually affecting me. And you have to constantly be in a state of pushing yourself and analyzing your good traits and हर बार खुद को appreciate करना है. Self love is something very important. अगर हम खुद से प्यार नहीं करेंगे, कोई हमसे कैसे करेगा? Right? When we say that nobody is understanding, when we say that people have hurt me or I am feeling hurt, that is the time when you are not loving yourself. Love yourself इतना कि किसी ने कुछ कहा आपको मैटर ही नहीं करे. Love yourself इतना that, you know, there's no space for this kind of negativity. In relationships also, आपका relationship ऐसा होना चाहिए कि किसी से आपको affect नहीं होना चाहिए और आपके कारण किसी को अफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी अ कंस्ट्रक्टिव रिलेशनशिप. आप अपने जोन में हैं, खुश हैं, एंड यू आर एडिंग ऑन टू समथिंग मोर ब्यूटिफुल rather than, you know, negativity leke and chaos create karke. So this is something very important, that be in your zone and start loving yourself. You should love yourself a lot, and it's very simple, yet people don't do it. How many times people just go look in the mirror and say that I love you. Do you love yourself? No, you don't. Nobody does that. In spite of, ये आपने कहीं ना कहीं तो सुना ही होगा. I'm not the first person telling you. You might have read it, but the day you decide to do it daily, you'll be all sorted.
Right. Secondly, ये तो हो गया कि when मतलब the person जो खुद डिप्रेशन में या खुद किसी मेंटल स्टेट में है, when we realize कि हमारे आसपास कोई पर्सन मे बी फ्रेंड है, फैमिली मेंबर है, सिस्टर है या गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड एनीथिंग, हमें ये चीज फील हो रहा है कि नहीं सामने वाला पर्सन इज इन अ बैड मेंटल स्टेट या ही और शी इज इनटू डिप्रेशन या उसको किसी चीज से परेशानी है, और अब आप पूछोगे द फर्स्ट थिंग वी डू इज वी आस्क कि क्या हुआ, बट बहुत लोग इतने एक्सट्रोवर्ट नहीं होते, इतने ओपन नहीं हो पाते कि दे टेल यू, या मे बी दे आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रस्ट, या उनको लगता है नहीं सामने वाला मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. So in that case, how do we deal with that person? How do we help that person?
See, there are 2-3 ways in which you can help that person. You can just have a word-to-word talk. Okay, how are you feeling? What are you feeling? See, I've been there and I won't judge you. That sentence makes a lot of impact. I won't judge you का बहुत ज़्यादा importance है, and you actually don't have to judge anybody because there
Right.
are you have to be a kind of person जिसके आसपास लोगों को लगे that ये person मुझे judge नहीं करेगा irrespective of whatever I have done. So वो quality पहले आप अपने develop कीजिए that you become a very passive listener yet a good listener. राइट कि किसी को अगर आपसे कुछ कहना है तो उससे ये डर नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये मेरे बारे में अच्छा या बुरा सोचेंगे, ये मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे, ये रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, जो हुआ सो हुआ, एंड मुझे
Right.
आगे की राह दिखाएंगे. एंड यू कैन से दैट लेट्स हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. आई डोंट मीन टू ऑफेंड यू, आई डोंट मीन टू डिस्टर्ब योर पर्सनल स्पेस, yet I felt concerned. If you feel like sharing, feel free to share with me. I will not judge you. Secondly, if not with me, at least share it with somebody who can help you because I feel you need help.
Okay.
हाँ, एंड वो एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखना है कि ये हमको बताएंगे, हमको नहीं बताया किसी और को भी बताया तो ठीक है,
Right.
उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा. मेंशन दैट. कई बार होता है ना, पीपल हैव देयर ओन कंफर्ट जोन्स, सो यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट द फैक्ट. इफ नॉट मी, इट्स ओके. इफ कोई और भी होगा तो चलेगा, बट make sure that you're taking out a solution for this because this is disturbing you, this is affecting your health, this is affecting your mental
Right.
health. Take that in your hands. I like to see you happy and you can actually do it. It's easier to speak than जितना हमारे दिमाग में वो रहता है ना, should I, should not, but एक बार अगर आप बोल दोगे ना, you'll feel much lighter. So these are the words
Okay.
to be said. Yeah. You should be
Okay.
empathetic and not sympathetic. There's a difference. Sympathy is
Exactly.
like, you're giving a crying shoulder. No, you're not giving a crying shoulder. You're just saying that speak up your mind. If not, मेरे सामने कहीं और बोलो. But बोलो और अपना problem solve करो. आप कर सकते हो, you can do it. That's it. वो assurance भी enough है.
Right.
Yeah.
So anything else? Any specific thing you want the people to add in their daily routine? कि आप ये चीज रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करो जिससे कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपका मेंटल हेल्थ एक गुड पोजीशन में पहुंचे, क्योंकि एवरी पर्सन आई थिंक डेली कुछ ना कुछ तो एवरीवन फेसेस इट डेली. सो क्या हमें ऐसी डेली हैबिट्स फॉलो करनी चाहिए जो हमें एटलीस्ट 10% बेटर फेस पे लेकर आए?
See, there are few things which I recommend everybody. The first is I am a firm believer of affirmations. Affirmations make you feel happy. Affirmations actually bring changes in your life and they actually create a positive space in your life. So always say that I choose to be happy. Make choices in your entire day. कभी आपको कुछ affect करता है ना, तो you make choice that I choose to be happy. So that is one affirmation which works for me and which I practice daily, that I choose to be happy. Irrespective of things around me, I choose to be happy. So suddenly your mood gets a little better. You feel uplifted. You feel that, yes, you've made this choice. And usually हम जो choose करते हैं, हम उस पे खरा उतरने की कोशिश करते हैं ना. So yeah, so that is one thing. I choose to be happy. Second thing is give time to yourself. Love yourself. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी हॉबी आप डेवलप करो या एक्नॉलेज करो एंड खुद के लिए दिन का हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स निकालो. उस टाइम पे देयर इज नोबडी, नो पार्टनर, नो गर्लफ्रेंड, नो बॉयफ्रेंड, नो किड्स, नोबडी. वो हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी है, wherein you are actually doing what you love to do. and that creates a lot of positive space in your life. मतलब अगर आप छोटा सा मतलब gardening is a simple thing, you know, हम watering the plants is such a simple thing, but वो अगर आप कर रहे हैं and if it is giving you happiness, make sure that you're doing it daily. You know, eating something या cooking something या खुद के लिए सिर्फ fruits कट करके खाना जो usually बहुत सारे जन नहीं करते हैं. You know, if somebody serves it, you're good to go, you will eat it. But taking that effort of chopping it for you and doing it for you, वो feeling आप खुद को देते ही नहीं है pleasure वाली कि हाँ भाई मैंने अपने लिए ये चीज किया. That is something very important and which most of the people don't follow. You're constantly doing things for people around you, but not for you. The day you decide that I am going to do this for me, it creates magic. Trust me.
Okay.
You love it. हाँ, it gives अच्छा feel होता है बहुत.
वन मोर थिंग, जो बैड हैबिट्स होती हैं काफी सारे लोगों को, लाइक सिगरेट्स है या ड्रिंकिंग है, बहुत लोग एक एज एन एक्सक्यूज यूज करते हैं कि नहीं आज मेरा मूड खराब है सो आज मैं एक सिगरेट पी लूंगी या सिगरेट पी लूंगा, आज मेरा मूड खराब है सो आई नीड अ ड्रिंक. तो ऐसी चीजों से कैसे अपने आप को डाइवर्ट किया जा सकता है? आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल हु रियली वांट टू, बट उनके पास एक मतलब एज एन एक्सक्यूज यूज करते हैं कि नहीं आज तो मूड खराब है, आज आई नीड इट एनी हाउ, या आज मूड खराब है आज मुझे पीने बैठना ही है. सो वहां से कैसे डाइवर्जन ले सकते हो आप?
I always tell all the people who come to me that अपना सब्स्टिट्यूट ढूंढ लो. अगर आपको सिगरेट पीने का मन करता है when you are stressed out, एक सब्स्टिट्यूट ढूंढ लो. वो सब्स्टिट्यूट च्युइंगम हो सकता है, वो सब्स्टिट्यूट लेमन जूस हो सकता है, बट इट शुड बी डिफाइंड. अगर ये नहीं तो ये, और ये नहीं ही है इसीलिए ये. You know, it really helps. एक बार आप सेट कर लेना दिमाग में कि हमको we don't want carbonated drinks, मैं लेमन जूस पे शिफ्ट होने वाली हूँ या मैं फ्रेश जूसेस पे शिफ्ट होने वाली हूँ. You've decided, so you will follow. And always remember that once you have decided, you can do it. So अगर आपका दिन खराब है, अगर आपको मूड अपलिफ्ट करना है, तो जो किक आपको एक ड्रिंक देगी वही किक लेमन जूस भी देगा, provided you have decided that this will work for me today. Right. Just try it. But you have to decide and you have to be very sure that, you know, वो हमको एक fix कर देना है दिमाग में that this is gonna work for me, and it works. It definitely works. There's no looking back. For cigarette smokers and for people who actually want to quit smoking, I always say that the moment you decide would be the day when, you know, your brain will help you, support you, provided you have to be pretty firm about it. बस सोच लिया यानी करना ही है. And you're more stronger than you think. That is one thing which we should often say ourselves, that मैं सोचती हूँ उससे कहीं ज्यादा strong में हूँ and I can do it if I decide. आपके वो vision board में focus वाले chart में वो लिख ही देना है that, you know, I can do it.
Okay. So any special message या any special you know tip for the people who judge? मतलब एक इंसान का mental state होता है कि नहीं उसने ऐसा किया मतलब यही होगा, या इसने ऐसा किया तो इसका मतलब यही होता है. हमारी एक आदत बन गई है कि हमें हर चीज को जज करना है. सुबह उठते जाते सामने वाले को जानते हो नहीं जानते हो, क्या कर रहा है क्या है, वी वांट टू जज. हमें बस एक स्टेटमेंट दे देना है. लाइक अभी की कंडीशन में अगर मैं बोलूं तो जो आई थिंक आई हैव सीन सम ऑफ माय नोन पीपल, जो वर्कर्स अभी वापस जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपने घर में, तो हमारा एक कमेंट बन गया है कि उन लोग को दिमाग नहीं है, बस उठे और चल दिए. इतना सब तो कर रही है सरकार फिर भी इनको अक्ल नहीं है, बैग लेके चल दिए वो. तो ये जो कांस्टेंट हैबिट है कि हमें हर किसी को जज करना ही है, उसने ऐसा बोला तो उसका कुछ मतलब होना ही चाहिए. सो वो चीज से कैसे, वो चीज आप कैसे अपने आप को अवॉइड कर सकते हो?
For judging, I always say that आप सोचिए कि वो जजमेंट से आपके अंदर क्या इमोशन क्रिएट हो रहा है. A very small example, you are just driving on the road, okay, and somebody is constantly honking, right? You start judging that इस idiot को गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता, इस idiot को ट्रैफिक सेंस नहीं है, इस idiot को रोड सेंस नहीं है, and वो सब बोलते बोलते आपके दिमाग में you're like this. हाँ, so when you're judging, you're always like, and is it a good expression? I don't like it at least. So the moment, so the moment you're judging anybody, I feel that you are actually creating a space for somebody जिसकी हमारे life में जरूरत है ही नहीं, right? You're thinking about the workers, you're thinking about the government, you're thinking about people around you, you're thinking about all kinds of things जिनकी हमारे mental space में जरूरत ही नहीं है. Why do you want to boil your blood on something that is not significant to you? Is it going to create a positive change in you? Is it going to help you in any which ways? आपकी growth इससे कहीं affect हो रही है? आपका mind इससे कहीं affect हो रहा है? No, it is not adding value. Passing judgments don't add value to your life. So please refrain from it. हमको वो करना चाहिए जिससे हमारी लाइफ में उस चीज से हमारी लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड होती है. You should do things which bring a smile on your face, which gives you happiness, which gives you satisfaction, which gives you contentment. ये वाला feeling जो चीज हमको देती है, that is not good for us. As straight as that, your expressions say it all. Whenever you're judging, आप always ऐसे ही रहते हो. But if you're not judging, you're like this. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार. I am happy in my zone, and learn to be that. Learn to be happy in your zone. Try. I always feel जब आप इतने immensely blessed हो, you should actually do something to create a difference in the lives of people around you. And that is one thing which gives you immense happiness. Like you told me ना कि happiness या फिर आप कोई take home message क्या दोगे? So for me, take home message is that make a change in the life of people around you. It can be your family, it can be your friends, and सबसे पहले it starts with you. जब आप वो self love वाला फंडा ला लोगे, acceptance वाला फंडा ला लोगे ना, तो things will be automatically better.
Right. Ankita, I think I will have the last question. कि कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर बुक या कोई पर्टिकुलर मूवी जो आप सजेस्ट करो जो हमें इन चीजों की तरफ बूस्ट करे कि सेल्फ लव होगा, सेल्फ लव है, एक्सेप्टेंस है, गेटिंग अवे फ्रॉम बैड हैबिट्स है, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ है. तो इन चीजों पे मोटिवेट करने के लिए इधर कोई ऐसी स्पेसिफिक मूवी जो आपको लगती हो कि नहीं ये मूवी बहुत अच्छे से आपको इस तरफ गाइड करता है, या ये बुक आपको इस तरह अच्छे से गाइड करेगा, या ये वीडियो है, सो एंड सो पर्सन के वीडियोस आप देख सकते हो टू, क्योंकि एज फार एज आई हैव सीन इंसान को हर दिन मोटिवेशन की जरूरत है.
हाँ.
आप डेली लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो कोई ऐसा सोर्स जो डेली लोग अपने अंदर फॉलो कर सकते हैं, डेली उस चीज को देख सकते हैं जिससे दे कैन बी मोर टुवर्ड्स सेल्फ लव.
All right. See, there are amazing speakers which we have in India. There are few जिनको मैं personally बहुत respect करती हूँ and follow करती हूँ, and I feel that they help you in self love. एक है सदगुरु हैं, फिर गौर गोपाल दास जी हैं, इनकी books हैं. I am an ardent follower of P.K. Shivani दीदी. I just love what she says, and उनकी अभी self love पे एक book आई है which is amazing, which is an amazing book. And I also follow Louis Hay के affirmations, and Louis Hay की book ही है affirmations पे, and affirmations, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, that is also a very nice book. It teaches the law of attraction, and the law of attraction means you can actually attract whatever you want in your life. If you want happiness, you can attract happiness. होता है ना कभी हम कहीं पहुंचने वाले हैं and we always keep on thinking that I'll get late, and you get late because you've been attracting that. Rather say that I'll reach on time, and you will reach on time. They say ना that whenever you want something, जब आप दिल से कुछ चाहते हैं तो पूरी कायनात उसको हासिल करने में आपकी मदद करती है. So that is what that is what law of attraction is all about. That if you really wish something, if you really want something, you can just attract it in your life, and that is what gives you hope. That is what gives you positivity. And वो vision board जो मैंने कहा, that is a part and parcel of it, that हमारे सामने ही है हमको क्या achieve करना है, and you will definitely achieve it. Okay.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much for your insightful words.
Thank you for having me over. And to all the viewers, one request: try to bring that change in somebody's life. पहले अपने और फिर अपने आसपास वालों के. And let's try and make this place a better place to live in, right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Sonali, for having me over. I had a wonderful time interacting with you.
Session, we learned a lot, many things.
Thanks a lot.
Anger management की actually सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत मुझे ही थी.
I'm glad I could, give this little bit of tips, and I hope really that they help.
Thank you so much.
All right, yeah, bye.
Bye.